See the stone set in your eyes, see the thorn twist in your side. I'm waiting for you.
Life moves a little slower in Allentown, Pennsylvania, and that's just the way we like it. Because at ProtoCAM, we're not just in the additive manufacturing business, we're in the people business. Let's meet some of the engineers that make ProtoCAM so darn special. This is Jeremy Belknap, one of our talented engineers. Jeremy is the manufacturing manager here at ProtoCAM and supervises our additive manufacturing technicians. Jeremy also specializes in assisting our customers on specialized projects. Meet Ed Graham, our VP of Additive Manufacturing. Ed has worked here for 24 years. He's an additive manufacturing industry leader with a true passion for the future of manufacturing. Ed's dedication is one of the hallmarks of the foundation of the business we build our bases on. And finally, Ryan Schmidt. Look at him. Look how cool. Not bad at all. As our plastics engineer, Ryan is truly the engineer who can assist you on any project. Ryan wears many hats and also assists with machine setup and helps to ensure product quality. Well, I hope this gave you a little taste of what life is like here at ProtoCAM. What it's like to walk a mile in Jeff's shoes. Or try on Chuck's socks. Next time you're in town, give us a call. Stop on by. I'm sure you'll be greeted with a big smile and a "How you doing, pal?" Maybe even some of Leslie's famous banana cake. And you'll know that you're home.
Photobomb.